this trade of ES, and it's starting to retrace on us. We were up a lot more, but didn't have my screen recording here. But let me tell you why we're in this trade and how the Maverick AI Pro has helped us. We're around $1,500 right now on this trade. So even if you didn't know how this indicator works, look at this big red background, okay? Would you go long or would you go short here? You'd probably go short, right? It's a big red background. Okay, so that's the first indicator on why we're in this trade. Your second one is, what if I told you that when price is above the blue line, you go long? And when it's below the blue line, you go short. Well, let's see how this works out. Let's go from left to right. Above the blue line, great. Broke below the blue line, great. Broke above the blue line, great. Broke below the blue line, great. Above it, below it. Now, this is pre-market. This isn't pre-market. This is kind of that flub we've talked about before, but it still would have worked out for scalping. Now, here's the thing. We broke below the Maverick guide, which is this blue line here. So this blue line, when you're above it, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. Okay, anybody can understand that. All right, great. So combine that with, why wouldn't we get in right around here? Well, you had gray candles. Gray are indecision candles. The Maverick AI Pro tells us what's going on behind the bar. What's going on behind the, is there a lot of momentum? Like, what's really happening behind each candle other than size? And if it's green or red, right? So gray is an indecision or a reversal candle, gray. All right, so we would have stayed out right here. All right, so what happened here? We broke the Maverick guide and we got a close below it and we got in. All right, we had a red background. We had red confidence arrows. Sell, 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 sell. Look at all these confidence arrows to the downside. We broke below the Maverick guide, this blue line. Okay, so we broke below the Maverick guide. We had confidence arrows going down, a red background, and my favorite, let me zoom in here for you here, folks, pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? So look at it just swoop straight down. And again, we were somewhere around here. We're now retracing back up to the Maverick guide, but look at how it's just respecting the Maverick guide here. Okay, could we get in a reversal and it come all the way up? Yes, but we're still up about $1,300, and I'm waiting to see because we have the Maverick 200 here, which it's respected in the past. So I'm going to see if it tests this Maverick 200, and then it might continue further down. All right. The Maverick signals, which we are about to release, look at all these sell signals you had, but we took it right around the sell signal here on the 1 minute chart. So we had a sell signal right here. We broke below the Maverick guide. We started to get pink candles. We had confidence arrows down, and we had a red background. I don't know how much. Trading is a game of probability. I don't know how much more probability you want in your favor. Okay, my mom could look at this chart and understand that you should go short here. You had a sell signal on the Maverick signals. The Maverick AI Pro is giving you down arrows. The blue line, remember, we go long when we're above the blue line. We go short when we're below the blue line. Again, I can't make this any simpler. Down arrows and pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your hottest down candle. Bright green is your strongest up candle, okay? Your Maverick AI Pro down here, which is real time, so you're not going to see what we saw at the time, but it's looking at 6 time frames, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. You can set these for whatever you want. And imagine if you had 5 traders. I can't talk today, sorry. I'm watching my trade here, $1,400. Imagine if you had 5 traders all having a different style. They all have their own style, and they're voting on each one of these time frames if they think it's bearish or bullish. So right now, traders 1 through 5, they're all voting green. They're all voting bullish on the 1 minute chart. Why? You're having a retracement back up to the Maverick guide. So, excuse me, your 1 minute is going to be moving the quickest. Your 30 minute and your 15 minute are going to be moving the slowest, right? Okay. But we know, just being traders, that, you know, when you get a big push down, you're going to have a retracement up, and then if you continue to come down. All right. But we've been really coming down since the open. I mean, you came down, you retraced back up, you came down, we'll probably retrace back up to maybe the 200, and we'll probably continue back down. But I don't know. So I let the Maverick AI Pro, the thing coloring my candles, the thing giving me this blue line here, the thing coloring my background, I let it just guide me. If the Maverick AI Pro starts to turn green background, well, my antlers are up, or my antennas are up. Again, I can't talk today. Why would I have antlers? Reindeers have antlers. You got to have antennas, okay, to pick up that signal. So red background, red confidence arrows, red cloud underneath the Maverick guide, okay? And a sell signal here on my Maverick signals. Now the Maverick signals indicator, look at all these sell signals. I mean, it couldn't be more of a heads up. And these buy signals, if you bought there, you would have made some nice scalping money. But I like to keep the labels up because it's just yelling at me, hey, heads up, sell, 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 sell. I'm not actually looking at price action here. I'm actually looking at the labels for them to be shouting at me. There's a reason they're all in caps, right? Okay. So if you want clarity on your chart, and go watch some of our other videos. I just put out a video Saturday, a couple days ago, on how to read these indicators and how simple, stupid it makes trading. Okay. Red background, red down arrows, confidence arrows, pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Underneath the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. Look, we're coming back down. We're starting to come back down. Look at your Maverick Multi-X. All the traders are voting. Red on the 1 minute, red on the 3 minute, red on the 5 minute, red on the 10 minute. All 5 traders with a different style are voting on 5 time frames here, solid red. I bet we'll keep coming down. I'm going to zoom in here. Look, okay? So if you took the trade right here, okay? Because all the traders, now you did just have the turn of the 5 minute bar. So you got to watch out around that. The last minute and the first minute of the 5 minute bar, you want to be careful on, because that's where they grab all your stop losses. There's a lot of volatility the last minute and the first minute. And by the way, if you want this indicator that puts an atomic clock right here, nice on your chart, wherever you want, you can put it down here, you can put it here, you can put it wherever you want. This is one of the free indicators we're going to be giving to our lifetime members. And why NinjaTrader doesn't have it, I don't know. Love NinjaTrader. I don't know why they don't have this on their charts, but you want to see your seconds, okay, as a trader. All right. So anyway, we're up 1750. Let me pull this down for you. We're up. We just broke 1800. Okay, $1,800. Now I went from gray to red, and if we get pink candles, I mean, this will. I can't see why we wouldn't clear $19,000 to $2,000. This is on just 3 contracts, okay? So here's the deal. If you're interested in the Maverick AI Pro, which is coloring our charts, giving us the background, giving us this Maverick guide, this blue line that I would never trade without it on my chart. These confidence arrows, they're not sell signals, they're confidence arrows, and we teach you how to use all of this, okay, when you get our indicator. Or the Maverick Multi-X. I personally, this is what I did. I ditched 6 monitors on my desk, okay? I ditched trying to have 6 charts and trying to read. Most people can't read 1 chart. You're trying to read 6 charts, okay? I got all 6 charts right here, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5, the 10, the 15. I got multi-time frames, and I got 5 traders all trading with me, if you will. That's the analogy I'm going to give you. It's an algorithm that we develop with artificial intelligence, but it's like 5 traders trading with me, giving me their votes, giving me their confidence. And right now, I'm pretty confident we're going to continue going down. The 1 minute's completely red. The 3 minutes completely red. The 5 minutes completely red. I have a down confidence arrow. I have a red candle Gray, red, pink. That's all you got to remember, okay? I'd be shocked if we don't keep pushing down here. Now, can anybody tweet anything at any time and the market go crazy? You got it. That's true. That's why we keep our stop losses tight. And that's why we take profit when we're in the profit, right? So if you're interested in either one of these indicators, check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com for a limited time. We're test piloting something. We're doing 50% off monthly subscriptions. So you can check us out, try us out, and lifetime members. And by the way, the lifetime members, they're about to get dropped. And I've been saying this for a little bit, but we're just finishing up R&D and getting them licensed on TradingView and NinjaTrader. They're going to get some free indicators that are badass, okay? The lifetime members, they're going to get access to the free indicators. Everyone else can buy them, that's fine. And they're going to get crazy deep discounts like this Maverick Signals indicator. This thing is amazing. It is not the buy sell beta that we are now giving away. That's also an awesome indicator. This sucker though is crazy. I mean, you can see, look, what if you sold it right at this sell signal right here? That was at the close of this bar. So let's take like the bottom close. So 63, well, it's where we got in. Okay, never mind. So you'd be up 1700 on 3 contracts, you know? Okay. Now, actually, we were up even more because we took it down here. I'm just allowing a retracement because I'm pretty confident this is a bearish day. So until proven otherwise, and the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X will show me when that changes, right? My background will change. Everything will change. All right, cool. Check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We teach you how to use these indicators, and we'd love to help you crush it.